Oh no, Alice, look at that line. There are so many people waiting to order.
Don't worry, we still have time.
That's the problem. I'm next, and I suddenly forgot how to order coffee in English.
Really?
Yes, I practiced at home, but now I'm nervous.
You're not alone. Many English learners feel nervous at coffee shops.
What if I say something wrong?
That's okay. Today, we'll practice together and learn exactly what to say when ordering drinks at a coffee shop.
Wow, this coffee shop is busy.
Yes, it is. The coffee here is very popular.
I can smell the coffee already.
Me too. It smells wonderful.
What should we do first?
Let's look at the menu.
Good idea. There are so many drinks.
There are. Take your time.
I see espresso, latte, cappuccino, iced coffee, and hot chocolate.
Those are some of the most popular drinks.
What's an espresso?
An espresso is a small, strong coffee.
I think that might be too strong for me.
Then maybe you'd like a latte.
What's in a latte?
A latte is made with espresso and milk.
That sounds good.
Many beginners enjoy lattes because they're smooth and easy to drink.
I think I'll get one.
Great choice.
I want one latte.
That's understandable, but a more natural way is, I'd like a latte, please.
I'd like a latte, please.
Perfect.
What are you going to order?
I'm thinking about getting a cappuccino.
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A cappuccino usually has more foam on top.
Interesting.
Do you like hot drinks or cold drinks?
Usually cold drinks.
Then maybe an iced coffee would be a good choice too?
Now I'm not sure.
Take your time.
Can I ask the cashier questions?
Of course. That's very common.
Really?
Yes. You can say, "Could you help me?"
Could you help me?
Exactly.
I think I'll stay with the latte.
Good decision.
Look, we're getting closer to the cashier.
Don't be nervous.
I'll try.
Let's practice.
Hello, I'd like a latte, please.
Excellent.
How much is it?
Very good.
Thank you.
Perfect.
That doesn't seem too difficult.
See? You can do it.
I have another question.
Go ahead.
The menu says small, medium, and large.
Those are drink sizes.
How do I tell them which size I want?
You can say, "I'd like a medium latte, please."
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Great job.
Now we're next.
You can do it.
Okay, here I go.
I'll stand right beside you.
Hello.
Hello.
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Excellent.
Actually, should I say I like a medium latte?
You could, but "I'd like" sounds more natural when ordering.
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Perfect.
Can I have extra milk?
Yes, that's another useful expression.
Can I have extra milk?
Exactly.
What if I want sugar, too?
You can say, "Can I have some sugar, please?"
Can I have some sugar, please?
Wonderful.
What happens after I order?
The cashier will usually tell you the price.
Then I pay?
That's right.
I paid yesterday at another cafe.
Small correction. The correct word is paid.
Oh, I paid yesterday.
Exactly.
English can be tricky sometimes.
It can, but you're doing great.
After I pay, what do I get?
Usually you'll get a receipt.
What's a receipt?
It's a piece of paper that shows what you bought.
Oh, I know that word now.
Excellent.
Can I pay with a card?
Of course.
How do I ask?
You can say, "Can I pay by card?"
Can I pay by card?
Perfect.
And if I use cash?
You can simply hand the money to the cashier.
Sounds easy.
It is.
What if I don't understand something?
You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Could you repeat that, please?
Very useful.
Or maybe, could you speak more slowly, please?
Exactly.
I should remember those phrases.
They're helpful in many situations.
Now we're waiting for our drinks.
Yes, let's sit down.
This place is nice.
I like the atmosphere.
There are many customers here.
That's true.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here about twice a week.
What's your favorite drink?
Probably a cappuccino.
Why?
I enjoy the foam and the rich coffee flavor.
Makes sense.
What about you?
I usually drink iced coffee.
Even in cold weather?
Yes.
That's funny.
My friends always say the same thing.
Everyone has different tastes.
That's true.
Do you ever drink hot chocolate?
Yes, especially in the winter.
I like hot chocolate too.
It's sweet and comforting.
Exactly.
Oh, I think they're calling someone's order.
Listen carefully.
Why?
Sometimes they call your name.
What if I don't hear them?
You can watch the counter.
Good idea.
Many coffee shops also give order numbers.
That's helpful.
Yes, it makes things easier.
I hear someone saying medium latte.
That might be yours.
Let's check.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, is this my drink?
Perfect question.
Really?
Yes, that's exactly how many people ask.
Great.
What did they say?
They said yes.
Wonderful.
I got my latte.
How does it look?
It looks amazing.
Take a sip.
Wow, that's delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
The milk makes it smooth.
That's one reason many people enjoy lattes.
I'm happy I didn't order espresso.
Maybe next time.
Maybe.
Do you feel more confident now?
Much more confident.
That's great.
Before today, I felt nervous about ordering drinks in English.
And now?
Now, I know what to say.
Excellent. Let me practice again. Go ahead.
I'd like a medium latte, please.
Perfect.
Can I have some sugar, please?
Excellent.
How much is it?
Great.
Can I pay by card?
Very natural.
Could you repeat that, please?
Wonderful.
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Excellent.
I think I'm ready for any coffee shop now.
That's the spirit.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Learning English feels easier when we practice real conversations.
I completely agree.
Today, I learned many useful coffee shop expressions.
That's wonderful.
I learned how to say, "I'd like a latte, please."
Very useful.
I also learned, "Can I have some sugar, please?"
Excellent.
And "How much is it?"
Great job.
I feel much more confident now.
That's exactly what practice does.
Great job practicing English with us today.
Keep listening and keep speaking.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Every mistake is a chance to learn.
The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Use these coffee shop expressions in real life whenever you can.
Thanks for joining us.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And remember, you can do it.